This is just a video of Hattie loving me. Yeah, she loves me. I love her. I love her. It's a big black cloud over us right now. It's windy. It might storm here in just a second. Yeah. There's birds right outside. I love her. I love you, Hattie Beans. I love you. I love you, Hattie Beans. She's such a good cat. She's such a good girl. Yes, you're such a good girl. I love you, honey. I love you, baby girl. Hattie Beans. Do you hear the puppy snoring? She's snoring under the table. Hattie is still pretty much over the puppy, but are you not? Am I telling? Okay, she's not. She's not over the puppy. She's not. Well, I think I meant to say she's not wanting it here. I think that was the look that I got. Like, I am over the puppy. She likes having my attention all to herself. And I mean, I gotta say, I kind of like that too. The puppy's been released from its cruelty case. She's going to be spayed tomorrow. And she's fully adoptable now. And I have informed them that I will not be adopting her. But I will keep her in my care until they find another foster for her. So, but yeah, that was just a video of Hattie. I love her.